How to fix error tag 4VT9F in Microsoft Office apps. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Check Microsoft Account Sign-in Assistant. When this service is disabled or not running, Office apps may fail to authenticate your Microsoft account. Scroll to Microsoft Account Sign-in Assistant, right-click, and select Start if it's stopped. Right-click again, choose Properties. Under Startup Type, click on the drop-down menu and set it to Automatic. Click Start, Apply, and OK. If that didn't work, Fix 2. Clear stored credentials from Credential Manager. Look for any Office-related credentials, such as Microsoft Office 15, Microsoft Office 16, or OneDrive, and remove them. Restart Office and sign in again. Fix 3. Update Office apps. Outdated Office versions may conflict with authentication protocols. Choose Update Now to check for and install any available updates. Restart the Office application after the update is complete to see if the issue is resolved. Fix 4. Reconnect work or school account. Click on your connected account and select Disconnect. Restart your PC. After restarting, go back to Access Work or School and select Connect to re-add your account. Follow the prompts to complete the process. Fix 5. Repair Office installation. Corrupted installation files can lead to sign-in issues. Choose the option for Online Repair and click Repair. Follow the prompts to finish the repair. If that didn't work, Fix 6. Check system date and time settings. Now try again and your problem should be fixed.